We've seen how to declare functions as top level, but obviously, again, this is being an object-oriented programming language. Classes can also have functions, being member functions. And to declare a function inside a class, it's very straightforward. We can just write fun and then the name of the function. So let's say, for instance, I want to create a function that returns the customer as a string value, which we actually don't need to do as such. We'll see a much better way, but for now, for the sake of argument, let's explicitly create this. So we're going to create a customer as string, and inside here, we're going to just create a function that takes no arguments and accesses the different properties of the customer class. So we'll say print line, and we will now reference the properties. And we can do so by simply just saying, let's say, for instance, ID, and then I can reference the property with ID, and then name, and again, reference the property with name, and so on and so forth. Now, this is going to actually print it out. If I want to call this, I can just say customer string. And we can see that it does print out ID 010 and name Hadi. Now here I've kind of said customer string and I've actually printed it out, and the correct thing to do would be to actually return this as a string. So instead of doing a print line, what I would really want to do is here just do a return, and that will now return it to me as a string. Okay, and then here I could then do print line and actually print out the contents of that string.